Before we begin, make sure your hands are thoroughly washed to remove any oils. For the best results, ensure your center console is cool to the touch and parked away from direct sunlight. Let's start with the top panel. Thoroughly clean the surface and all corners with the provided wipe. Use the squeegee to clean both edges, as shown here. Grab the longest wrap piece in your kit. To check the orientation, note that the bottom edge is completely flat, while the top is curved. Peel back the bottom 2 to 3 inches of the backing paper and fold it down. Align this exposed wrap to the bottom edge, right against the handle trim. Make sure you have an equal amount of overhang on both the left and right sides. Once aligned, use your squeegee to secure the bottom edge. Slowly work your way up with the squeegee until you get close to the backing paper. Now peel off the rest of the backing paper. Keeping the wrap taut, squeegee it down over the remaining flat surface, working outward to the edges. When you reach the phone dock, hold the handle trim in place with one hand. Firmly push down with the squeegee to create a gap, then tuck the remaining wrap underneath the dock. Do a quick check for any air bubbles on the flat surface. To finish the edges, run your finger along the right side, then tuck and adhere the wrap using the squeegee. Repeat this exact process for the left side. Finally, use the thin squeegee to secure the final bits of wrap along the edges near the phone dock. Next, let's move to the middle panel. Just like before, clean the surface, edges and corners thoroughly using the wipe and squeegee. Grab the smallest wrap piece. To find the correct orientation, look for the small cuts on the bottom left and right corners. The top edge will not have these cuts. Peel back the top 1 to 2 inches of backing paper and fold it down. Align the wrap to the top edge against the handle trim, ensuring even overhang on both sides. Squeegee the top edge to lock it in place. Remove the rest of the backing paper. Hold the handle trim with one hand, squeegee the wrap onto the remaining flat surface all the way to the edges. Check for any trapped bubbles underneath the wrap. Run your finger down the right edge, followed by the squeegee to tuck it in. Repeat this process for the left edge. For the bottom edge, use the thin squeegee to slightly lift the wrap, then press the thin cut vinyl onto the surface on both sides. Finally, push the handle trim forward, run your finger along the bottom edge, and use both squeegees to fully secure the bottom wrap. Finally, let's tackle the bottom panel. Clean the surface and all 3 edges just as you did for the others. Grab the last medium-sized wrap piece. Similar to the previous piece, the bottom edge also has small cuts on the corners, and the top does not. Peel back the top 1 to 2 inches of backing paper, align it to the top edge with even overhang on the sides, and squeegee it down. Work your way down with the squeegee, then remove the remaining backing paper. Keep the wrap taut as you squeegee the rest of the flat surface. Check for any trapped air bubbles underneath the wrap. Tuck and adhere the right edge using your finger and the squeegee, then repeat for the left edge. Just like the middle panel, use the thin squeegee to lift the wrap slightly at the bottom edge and secure the thin cut vinyl on the left and right corners. Run your finger along the bottom edge and use the thin squeegee to press the wrap into any tight areas. Do one last check to ensure everything is fully adhered. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your center console wrap. For more products or if you have any questions, visit us at evwraps.com.